Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is consultant-led referral to treatment waiting times. So we've got data going back to April 2011 all the way to December 22 and new data going in every month. There is so far 365 million rows of data, so it's extremely detailed. So let's see what we've got. We've got these are the tables. You can see here these top two are discontinued, but the other ones are still getting data. And querying the full data set, as that's probably the best one. That has got figures split by provider and commissioner, as well as the type of RTT description. These are the RTT descriptions, by the way, and the treatment function code and the weeks waiting. So, for example, this one here, patients that are registered at GP practice that is in the Commissioner 07M. You'd use the ODS tables to find out what these codes are, and there's a tutorial video for that in the other tutorial playlist, by the way. So patients at that Commissioner who are going to this hospital, incomplete pathways, treatment function 110, that is trauma and orthopedic. Should have used to know these off by heart. There's two patients at that point, the point being April 2016. Right. There were two patients waiting between 0 and 1 weeks, three between 1 and 2 weeks, and so on. And then, if you notice, we've had to add on weeks 52 to 104. So we've got all that data as well. That's in the newer years. So it's very, very detailed. Do you remember when we were having patients waiting up to 18 months? And we got it down to 18 weeks. That was the whole point of this. And then it's crept all the way back up again. I can't remember exactly what's happened to do that. We've got the treatment functions here because there's a few extra treatment functions. That's why we've added this. Otherwise, you'd normally use the data dictionary treatment function table. And just picking one of the other tables, new data items. That's that. So please get a free trial and have a play with this data, because as you can see, it's very detailed, so you can do some really good analysis here. Thanks.